Lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We just want to simply talk about our Sunday dinner, which we started about a couple of weeks ago, which is going on really well. Every Sunday, Chef Ricardo come out with something, you know what I mean? I just make something and upload it on the channel for the fans them. That's, you know what I mean, the following week you can make something or you can do something from it. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you and hopefully this can help you to fill some of the gap at home. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much for watching my show, and we got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and watch more Chef Ricardo video. Got a lot more ideas, tips and recipe for you and your cooking at home. So remember, every Sunday we have something coming out for you to cook at home, something different. You know what I mean? Sunday dinner. We're talking about Sunday dinner. So every Sunday we have some ideas or something uploaded on the YouTube channel. If you didn't get to make that one, you can make it the following Sunday. So thank you so much for watching my show, and stay tuned and don't go anywhere. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. And remember one thing, to subscribe, share, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. The whole of the Chef Ricardo is right there. Stay.
Thank you.